Hi guys, Michael here from the rugspacarpetcleaning.com.au. Good to see you guys again. Look, I've just cleaned this hallway. As you can see, half of the area that I've cleaned is a lot better than what the rest of it looks like at the moment. What we have here are a few stains that the customer has that looks like over a period of time they've tried to treat these stains themselves. By using a product off the shelf that might have been a little bit too high in a pH scale or a little bit too foamy. The product may have been too foamy and it's caused these stains to disappear as they were cleaning them. However, unfortunately, over time, over a couple of weeks or a month or so, these stains have attracted a lot of soiling again. So while we're here, we're going to treat these stains to make sure that they don't reappear again. What we need to do is, after cleaning or through our cleaning process, we use a neutralizer. What that does is to help stabilize the pH in your carpet so that the carpet fibers stay neutral. When the carpets stay neutral, the carpets will not resoil quickly. They'll stay cleaner and last longer. So what we're going to do here today is just treat a couple of these stains. We're going to spray these ones here, just agitate them in, and when I finish cleaning the carpet, it's going to make the stains disappear. So it's very important to pre-treat some of these stains, especially the more stubborn type. We need to use something a little bit stronger generally. We'll agitate them in. And then when we go over with the steam cleaning process, it'll flush that all away. And whilst we're cleaning with the water, fresh water that we use in our carpet cleaning machine, it has a neutralizer in it that will flush away any of the product that I have used and any of the previous product that the customer may have used over time. Thank you for watching this video. If you know of anyone who's interested in this type of service for steam cleaning, please share the link below. My name is Michael at the rugspacarpetcleaning.com.au.